Homeowners in Pell City, Alabama, understand the challenges that come with the region's changing weather, from humid summers and heavy rainstorms to cool winter nights. Over time, older or improperly installed windows can lead to uncomfortable drafts, condensation, and even water leaks that damage your home's interior. That's why many Pell City residents are turning to professional slider window installation to keep their homes energy efficient, comfortable, and protected year-round. When done by experienced professionals, slider window installation doesn't just improve aesthetics, it plays a critical role in preventing air and moisture intrusion. Here's how this simple upgrade can make a major difference in your home's performance and longevity. Precision fit eliminates costly drafts. Drafty windows are one of the most common complaints among homeowners. Even the smallest gaps between a window frame and wall can allow outside air to seep in and conditioned air to escape. In a climate like Pell City's, that means higher energy bills in summer and winter. Professional window installers take precise measurements and use advanced tools to ensure your new slider windows fit perfectly within your home's openings. This tight, custom fit eliminates gaps that cause drafts, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Unlike do-it-yourself installations, which often leave micro gaps or uneven seals, professional installation ensures a snug, weather-tight barrier between your home and the outdoors. Proper sealing prevents moisture infiltration. Moisture is the enemy of comfort, and one of the biggest threats to your home's structural integrity. When rainwater seeps through poorly sealed windows, it can lead to mold growth, rotting wood, and wall damage. Over time, these issues not only create unpleasant odors and indoor air problems but also decrease your property's value. Professional installers use high-grade weatherproof sealants and flashing systems that form an impenetrable barrier against moisture. They carefully apply caulking around joints, corners, and frames to prevent leaks during Pell City's frequent thunderstorms and humid conditions. Additionally, modern slider windows feature built-in drainage channels that direct water away from your home's interior, ensuring that rainwater flows safely outside, even during heavy downpours. Advanced insulation enhances energy efficiency beyond stopping air and moisture. Professional installation enhances insulation performance. Modern slider windows are designed with dual-pane or triple-pane glass, filled with insulating gases such as argon to minimize heat transfer. A professional installer ensures these features are properly aligned and sealed, maximizing their energy-saving potential. The result is a more comfortable indoor environment that stays cooler in Pell City's hot summers and warmer during chilly winter nights, without straining your HVAC system. Over time, this added efficiency translates into lower utility costs and reduced environmental impact. Prevention of condensation and mold growth. When warm, humid air comes into contact with a cold surface, like an old single-pane window, condensation can form. This buildup may seem minor, but over time it promotes mildew, mold, and frame deterioration. Professional installation ensures that your slider windows are correctly insulated and sealed, reducing the likelihood of interior condensation. Newer models also include low-E coatings and warm edge spacers that regulate glass surface temperatures, minimizing the risk of moisture accumulation on window panes. This creates a healthier living environment and helps protect your walls, trim, and flooring from hidden water damage. Long-term performance and peace of mind. When you hire a professional for your slider window installation, you're not just paying for labor, you're investing in long-term reliability. Expert installers follow manufacturer guidelines to preserve your window's warranty and ensure peak performance for years to come. They also inspect your existing window openings for signs of structural damage or rot, addressing any issues before installation begins. This level of care prevents future problems and ensures your new windows remain airtight, watertight, and efficient season after season. In addition, many professionals offer service guarantees, giving Pell City homeowners peace of mind that their investment is protected. Final thoughts. For homeowners in Pell City, professional slider window installation is one of the most effective ways to enhance comfort, prevent drafts, and guard against moisture damage. By ensuring a precise fit, proper sealing, and expert insulation, professional installers help your home stay energy efficient, quiet, and dry, no matter what Alabama weather brings. Whether you're replacing aging windows or upgrading to a modern design, investing in professional installation will keep your home beautiful, comfortable, and protected for decades to come.